the police must be taken off the line of duties.
Of course.
And a full investigation must be completed and made to the public.
It's not a big man, he's a 15-year-old. If you hold on pan him, me expect uno to call my phone and say, Mother, me have your son at the station or something because him do something. Me expect uno go do me picnic so. And me ask uno to carry him go to the hospital. I uno go tell me say uno not doing it. And at them do him so. And not me not left him so at home. Me not send him so at school. And me reach out to police officers and nobody taking no statement. Them have me like a idiot up and down.
Oh God, man. Oh God, this scare continue Jamaica for our fight. Please help. We are on our knees. We have done Andrew Holness nothing with doing. We have done Andrew Holness nothing. Why are you doing with this? People, why private sector, poor people who are food, you know? Why are you doing this to us? What have we done? Our foreparents carry come as slave.
Yes.
Our foreparents don't left here. You look at Chinese and push we off island. And look come and beat with. What next? What next, Mr. Holness? What next? Juliet Holness, you give birth to 2 sons. What next? What next? Juliet Holness? Ask her to them, you are the first lady. Do something now. Say something. Imagine how that mother feel that the boy can't bear himself. And mommy, if you're going to bear them. Wow. Juliet Holness, are you a mother? Are you a mother? Are you a mother? What else? This is too much now, man. As a mother, I sit there and it caught me. It could be my child. Imagine me at work and somebody call me and tell me, say, my little last 14-year-old. And when me go, me see him in this position. I say, what happened to you? And he tell me, say, police, and him even a criminal, he don't do nothing. Why they would have tell me, say?
So this parent now need to go after this police officer directly to ensure that any pension, any asset,
yes,
any money that he's getting from anywhere,
yes,
that lawsuit should go directly after that. So when she done with him,
dry,
nothing,
dry. And I tell him, you know me not tell him to just sue the police, sue the state, sue Andrew Holness, sue the commissioner of police.
Yeah. They need to be sued because if one person don't start it and let the public understand what is really happening.
This need to condemn Jamaica for justice. Where are you? Churches of Jamaica, where are you in these things? This is unfair. This is nothing good. What our country is going to, you're turning our young people. Then what will happen to we?
My viewers and subscribers, enough is enough, and this is too much. May I beg you one favor: like the video and share the video with everybody where you know. Like that video, yeah, and share that video, yeah, with everybody everywhere where you know. Them are going too bad, you know, and Andrew Holness not talking to them. You mean for send your picnic go to school, my viewers and subscribers, and that end up happen to your picnic? Them not have no heart, my viewers and subscribers, and this man, him not talking to them. You might have watched the story before, you know, but I wanted to watch the story again. Watch the story and tell me if this is right. You know, hit the like button. Jamaica, this is the type of government we have, you know. Watch the story to the end and tell me if this is right.
A mother is demanding answers after her teenager was allegedly assaulted by police officers. The incident, which reportedly started off as a search, has now sparked calls for accountability and an independent investigation. Shantae McNeil has that story.
A swollen wrist,
Torn clothes, a 15-year-old boy now limping. It may look like the aftermath of an animal attack, but there were no claws, no fangs. It was instead an encounter with the police as he walked home from school. He says he was walking with 3 female classmates when a police vehicle pulled up. They asked to search him. He agreed. Nothing was found. But what came next is believed to have been a result of a comment the teen admits he made. He doesn't like the police. He claims he was ordered to go into the vehicle and was told he'd be arrested for using indecent language, an order he resisted for this reason.
God know what they're going to do to me if I go down there by myself.
So is it that you were scared?
Exactly, because them are going to say, me try for you. One stay and do one bag of things. So,
One bag of things like that.
Like, them did say me I threaten them. I wasn't threatening anyone. I was just telling them I go call people and make them know what I do.
And when he resisted, the 2 officers reportedly grabbed him. One allegedly used a baton, striking him on the wrist and at his side. His mother had just gotten home from work when she got a panicked call. She rushed to where he was, but by then, the officers had already left. She then went to the Glengough police station, where she confronted one of the officers involved. She says she was told her son was being arrested for what he said, but she countered that doesn't justify how he was treated. She further claims the lawmen denied responsibility for her son's bruises.
And when me, I go ask them, say, all right, uno are the one will do this to my son. Uno need to carry him to the hospital. The brown one I go laugh and say, him nah carry him go to hospital because of him do himself so. So how somebody swell up their horn and swell up their side and tear up their uniform and all of them something there. And you are going to say him throw down himself on the ground and do all of that. Like seriously?
She's demanding justice, as she says the police also refused to take a statement about the incident.
It's not a big man, he's a 15-year-old. If you hold on for him, me expect uno to call my phone and say, Mother, me have your son at the station or something because him do something. Me expect uno I go do me pitney so. And me ask uno to carry him go to the hospital. And uno I go tell me say uno not doing it. And at them do him so. And not me not left him so at home. Me not send him so at school. And me reach out to police officers and nobody taking no statement. Them have me like a idiot up and down.
On Sunday, she told CVM News she has since filed a report at the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau, IPROB, who confirmed it would investigate the matter. CVM News has made multiple attempts to contact the police for a comment, but so far, no response. As for the teen, he says the incident has left him deeply shaken.
Really and truly, I just feel traumatized right now to go like anywhere near police.
I want to just reach out and just tell the mother that I'm grieved. I have a 15-year-old son also. But I need to let the people of Jamaica understand that if you have your 15-year-old child, no police officer is allowed to question that child without the parents is in the presence. I need the Jamaican people to understand that. So the mother right now have a big lawsuit on her hand to present to the state. And the mother need to understand, if she's listening tonight,
Yes.
I need her to understand that you have a big lawsuit on your hand to present to the state. You don't have to pay a lawyer. You don't have to pay nobody.
Repeat.
The state will pay
Repeat. You say no police. Repeat that part.
No police. No police supposed to question a 15-year-old child. None whatsoever.
Without the presence of an adult.
Without the presence of the guardian, not an adult. The guardian, the mother and the father,
Yes.
or any guardian that is responsible for that child. If they question that child,
Yes.
that's supposed to be a lawsuit that is breach because that child is not an adult.
So you that tell her to sue the state and sue the police?
Of course, the police officer should he must get sued. He has to get sued for assault, right? And that is a misdemeanor. That's a criminal offense.
Yes.
Because if you stop and take away this child's right, question this child, illegal search and seizure, that's the next offense.
Plus
again.
beating up the pitney.
Beating up the child now. That is the next.
Something that grievously bodily harm.
Bodily only. This child, he's actually walking, limping, and seems as if it is fractured.
Yes.
So this parent now needs to go after this police officer directly to ensure that any pension, any asset,
yes,
any money that he's getting from anywhere,
yes,
that lawsuit should go directly after that. So when she done with him,
dry,
nothing,
dry.
Because the lawyers them out there knowing these laws are in the Constitution. And none of these lawyers.
And I'm not telling you, you know, I'm not telling you just sue the police. Sue the state. Sue Andrew Holness. Sue the commissioner of police.
Yeah. They need to be sued because if one person don't start it and let the public understand what is really happening, we can't get to have this chain reaction.
True.
Because this is what we now see. We see it live. A 14-year-old going home. Police stop you. What police have stopped a 14-year-old for go home from school for? Them get a complaint, them get a phone call, them get any probable cause on this child.
Yes.
Why is it you encounter this child? What kind of evidence you have on this child?
And I even 3 girl apart. I walk
and even 3 female walking. And even on the interview, you can see that the young man is traumatized.
Very traumatized. Emotional distraught.
Emotional distraught.
Yes.
And that is the next lawsuit also.
Tell the mother to call me. Me have a syndicate a lie already. Me have a syndicate a lie already, mommy.
If the mother is listening, the mother needs to call.
Somebody must have on the live here. Go tell the mother. Tell the mother to call partner draw now.
Break the chain for Jamaica. For all these abuse that these officers are going around doing to our society.
Yes.
This is one of the gateway. This is the gateway that the people of Jamaica can actually understand where we are going.
Yes.
If this police commissioner can say, speak up and don't tear down. This is the gateway that we get to actually let the people understand the Constitution. Understand the conduct of the conduct of the police.
Yes.
How they're supposed to conduct.
Yes.
The accountability.
Yes.
And police don't do that. They feel lock up them backside. They feel lock up them behind them. I would do from bad to worse now, man. I'm tired of them now. Tired of them. That's why my cousin come outside. We can't tell me too much corruption. I mean, must make me think them going at it.
Yes.
I mean, I make them going at it. Got too much corruption. He graduated from 17-year-old in grad from CC. And when my children, my boys, them graduate, and told them that they're going to the police and going into the army. He said, let me tell you something. Now come out. And no make none of them go in there because they're corrupt.
All right, mama. No problem. God bless you. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night, Angie.
Uh-huh.
Good night. Yeah. I am feeling, I can't tell you how I feel, Angie. Angie, it just cut me from deep within. Our country just gone so. Why is this man so wicked and all that over rule? A 15-year-old young man. He has a right to say not like a police. You can't tell him who to like. And you beat him up so. Who have you asked? I asked the police them. Doesn't have kids, female police officers. Doesn't have kids, parliamentarian ladies in the board side of the aisle. Doesn't have kids and grandchildren. Jamaica for justice. Teachers. JTA, we are one in this. If we don't try to put a stop to it, it will continue. The news said the young man stopped their searching back, they find nothing. And he said, that's why I like police. My young people, they have no wishes so. They're not given the right to abuse him and do him so. No, what can you, this young man are going to live with this trauma for the rest of his life? If this will make him turn to the vicious, is heartless, is killer. If there's nobody to support him, he has done nothing. As a mother, I sit there and it caught me. It could be my child. Imagine me at work when somebody call me and tell me, say, my little last 14-year-old. And when me go, me see him in this position. I say, what happened to you? And he tell me, say, police, and him even a criminal, he don't do nothing. When they would have tell me, say, mother, I'm in your corner. I am a mother, I am a grandmother, even a great-grandmother, I am a great-grandson. This has to be stopped. Mark Golden, our soon to be Prime Minister. We can't wait till September, whatever. May I ask you know, tomorrow, Wednesday, if we don't have Parliament sitting, this need to condemn Jamaica for justice. Where are you? Churches of Jamaica, where are you in these things? This is unfair. This is nothing good. What our country is going to, you're turning our young people. Then what will happen to we? Andre, what more can you do? You have done, you pass your limit. You alone can't do that. We thank you for what you are doing. Words can't express what you are doing. But these people, the Governor General, you hear, you see, do something, man. Not because you're such man might have been further or whatever. Use your power to do something. Judges, lawyers, we are asking you, please do something. It's worse. This can't continue like this. It can't continue. Police officers. We have good law-abiding officers who don't get up and do something. And when the woman went to the funeral, when she name made the members her name. And this you tell we say if you support police, you know, police must do their job. You cannot beat up a 15-year-old like that. Coming from school, decked in his uniform, walking with his spear.
Yes.
Oh God, man. Oh God, this can't continue. Jamaica, for our pride, please help. We are on our knees. We have done Andrew Holness nothing with doing. We have done Andrew Holness nothing. Why are you doing with this? People, why private sector, poor people who are food, you know? Why are you doing this to us? What have we done? Our foreparents carry come as slave.
Yes.
Our foreparents don't left where. You look at Chinese and push we off island. And look come and beat with. What next? What next? Mr. Holness, what next? Juliet Holness, you give birth to 2 sons. What next? What next? Juliet Holness has come to them. You are the first lady. Do something now. Say something. Imagine how that mother feel that little boy can't bear himself. And mommy, if you're gonna bear them. Wow. Juliet Holness, are you a mother? Are you a mother? Are you a mother? What else? This is too much now, man.
All right,
Imagine
lady.
you have to hide the people from police and you have to hide them from gunman. Oh, God.
Yes, man. It is obvious that this is too much. You hear the lady say, yeah, hide your pitney them from 87 bad man. And you have to hide them from police too. What can really go so? So, a lot of people have been saying that, oh, the police them do them work, leave them, them a take out the 87, them a take out the problem on them. All right. What about this young man now? What kind of problem him a commit? Our film name the on the list too? I am showing you that they're out of control. I am showing you that they're behaving without any decorum whatsoever. I am showing you that it is a free-for-all and justice must be served. The ladies demanding justice for our pitney. And we want justice to the lady pitney. Look how them do the lady pitney, and I am telling you that these police officers, some of them, they're full of so much ego. And it no matter who you are, if you ever say something and it affects their ego, they rub you the very wrong way. If I show me a talk type show, I say if I show me a talk type show, them full of ego. You say this one here, him full of ego. Him are the leader of the country. And if him not say nothing about it, they will continue. It can't stop, all him have to do give a stern warning and say, no, this is too much. And if there is ever a case that is questionable like this one, then the police must face sanctions. Him not say nothing like that. Remember him say meet that judge, and nobody not really go meet no judge. Remember I meet him say meet Jamaica. Say ma meet Jamaica. Well, we have to make him meet theme time and vote him out. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We tired of them, man. Them too much, man. Hey, everywhere, everybody I talk about them and nothing good. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Jamaica Topic. We tired of them, man. Hurry up, man. And Joe, me know where you come from.